Timothy, what are you doing?
Timothy didn't answer, he just kept on going. Suddenly he was switched off the wrong line, heading away from the main line. Then the Javan firemen saw in horror that they were heading towards a cliff wherever Violet was to be built.
Do you feel yourself?
The driver and firemen scrambled and fully with the controls, desperately trying the best to stop him, but it was no use.
I sent you the graveyard for Christmas.